Hello viewers, I welcome you here. In this video I will tell you how to change eye color. First of all, open one picture, file, open, select one picture, press Z from the keyboard or select this to zoom. Select quick selection tool from here and select this area. I would like to subtract this area, so select this one or press Alt from the keyboard. If there is a mistake, press Ctrl Z from the keyboard. And let's select the next eye. Okay, it is fine. Edit, copy, edit, paste. Now press Ctrl and select this layer from here. Image, adjustment, replace color. Set the fuzziness and change from here. Select OK. Press Ctrl D from the keyboard. You can see a little change, but if you want to see a great change, then press Ctrl from the keyboard and select the layer. Press Ctrl U from the keyboard. Select colorize and change the color from here. Select the color that you want. Set the saturation. And select OK. Press Ctrl D from the keyboard. Click here and select soft light. This is the original one and this is the changed one. You can decrease the opacity as well. See the change?